Ayan. So, hello, what's up, mga kasiman? Ayan. For now, today's video is we can cook bamboo mushroom dish, what we call the bamboo mushroom. And then we can cook this in a specialty with a special balatong. Alright. Yeah, this is the balatong and this is the mushroom. Mushroom in a bamboo. Oh, like this one. Oh, so beautiful and delicious. Yeah. So today we can cook this bamboo mushroom. So we can cook in specialty. Yeah, yummy. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, and now we can add water from the balatong and then put the kalub. Yeah, alright. And then we put this button so they can cook. Alright. Yeah, this is my electric cook. And then we clean this mushroom in water. Ayan. You can clean it in this part, like this one. Already clean. Now we can wash this mushroom, coconut mushroom, bamboo mushroom. Now the balatong is borbrek, like this. Borbrek. Yeah, we can remove this like this white color and remove that. And after we wash this mushroom, also clean, and then we can pirsay. Oh, like this one. We can pirsay here, pirsay like this. Some piece of the mushroom there. there you go. I like this one. You can put this mushroom, bamboo mushroom, and then like that. Oh, so very simple. Ooh, but it's delicious. But this small piece of this, we cannot remove this like that. You can do like that. Oh, like maliliit, little mushroom. Yeah. But the big one is oh, whoa, whoa, like a fried chicken. Whoa, whoa, wow, wow. This one, oh. Whoa, wow. Just remind it this was like a fried chicken. Whoa, whoa, wow. Oh, so delicious. It's like delicious mushroom with a mango. Wow. Wow. Oh, already finished. Smells delicious. Oh. Now this mango, we wait this to make pablad. And then remove this one. Is the cup of the mango. Oh, still pablad. And then we put this patis. Oh, patis. So this is my favorite Ajinomoto, Kunching Ajinomoto. So hope. Wow. And now is as you can see, the mango beans still broken and cooked in a good condition. All right, and then we put the mushroom in a bamboo. Wow, oh my gulay. Looks like delicious. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Oh my gulay. It looks delicious. I will fight for many rice. Wow. Wow, so delicious. And then this my final recipe. Look at this chili, the hot chili. We can put these two pieces of chili here. in our balloon. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, so good. Oh, wow. Mantap. Now this the time. Oh, time to eat a mushroom and the mango. Nih, di sini tuh. Wow. Haha. This my rice. 10 cups. Meter mana?